settings that my device is Motorola Moto E and it is XT1022 model and Android version 4.4.4 KitKat. Now tapping the build number 7 times will enable the developer option here. Now opening the developer options, now turn on USB debugging. Now turn it on and press OK. After that, you have to see that battery should be charged up to 70 or 80%. My battery is charged up to 84%. That's very good. Now turn off your device. Now also make backup of your photos and contacts so that you might not lose that. Now pressing volume down key first and then power key. Now hold it simultaneously for about 11 seconds. Now hold down volume down key first and after 2 or 3 seconds just leave down power key. Then you will see fast boot option. Now my device is already unlocked, but don't worry, I will show you the method how to unlock the bootloader. Now connect your device with your PC and you can see that USB is connected showing here in the coding section down. Now download minimal ADB and fastboot from my link which is in the description box in the first number. Now install that. I have already installed this minimal ADB fastboot, so I will not install it in again. Now I'm pressing cancel and go to that place where you have installed minimal ADB fastboot and you can see then local disk C I have installed minimal ADB fastboot. Now hold shift and press right click of mouse button and then open command prompt. So a command window will show here. Now type fastboot devices so that you can see your device is connected or not. Now my device is connected and listed down there. Now time to unlock the bootloader. To unlock the bootloader you have to type fastboot. You have to type fastboot OEM get underscore unlock underscore data and then hit enter. After that coding will show here and you have to copy this whole code. After that copy this whole code and paste it in your notepad. Just minimize this command prompt and make a notepad. I'm making notepad on the desktop. Now here it is. Now open that notepad and paste the code here. Now remove the bootloader and also the space. Don't remove the any letter from the code. Just move the whole space and code and also make it in a single line. After that copy all the code in one go, select it and copy it and then open the web browser and open Google. Now you can type anything like Motorola E unlock bootloader. A Motorola site will open here. Then you can see that it's the official site which will provide you unlock key to unlock the bootloader. Now open that site and sign in with that ID in which you have logged in your Motorola Moto E. Now I'm signing with Google ID because I have connected my Motorola Moto E device with my Google ID. For my mother's devices, it is my mother's device and I've connected with the mother's email ID, so I'm just clicking it and then press next. Now down there you have to paste the code here and click on can my device be unlocked. Now it is verifying and down scroll down and you will see I agree and now request unlock key and press OK and after that you will see a 20 character alphanumerical code will be mailed in your email ID has been mailed. So just open your Gmail account and then see the mail here and open the mail and see the unlock code. Here is the unlock code. Every device unlock code is different, so don't copy this code. Don't try to unlock with this code, otherwise it will may break your device or your device will not unlock. So do the same process as I am doing because every device has different hardware. So just paste it in a notepad and again copy it. Now open the command prompt. I have minimized it and now type fastboot OEM unlock and then your unique key. Also do the spaces in between I'm showing on the screen and hit enter. Now you can see that I have already unlocked the bootloader of Motorola Moto E. So now I am not